In today's video, I'll show you how to add a shadow to images using Canva. Whether you're just starting out or already a seasoned designer, this simple trick can give your visuals a polished professional edge. Let's dive in. First, open your Canva project and click on the image you'd like to edit. When it's highlighted, you'll see editing options appear at the top. Now, head to the top menu and click Edit. This opens up Canva's editing tools for your image. From the Edit menu, choose Shadows. This is where you'll find a variety of shadow effects to experiment with. You'll see several shadow types like glow, drop, outline, curved, page lift, and angled. Hover over each one to preview how it looks on your image. For this example, let's go with the classic drop shadow. It's versatile and works well for making images stand out on any background. Just click on it and you'll instantly see the effect applied. You can refine the look by adjusting transparency, blur, and offset. Play around with these settings until the shadow feels natural and fits your design. For extra depth, try the backdrop option inside the shadow settings. It adds a subtle pop to make your image look more realistic. Just like before, you can tweak the settings to match your project. Once you're happy with the shadow effect, don't forget to save your work. Click Download at the top right to save the updated image to your device. And that's it. You've just learned how to add shadows to images in Canva. It's a quick way to elevate your designs and give them a professional, polished finish. Experiment with different shadow styles and see what works best for your creative projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.